Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Nokia 7.1 smartphone. It comes with 8 megapixel front facing camera. It's capable of recording 1080p full HD videos with Ozo audio. For the pictures, there is beautification mode provided along with the motion picture, and the AR stickers are available for both images and videos. For the video, there is time-lapse mode provided as well. Nokia 7.1 also comes with the dual side technology, or the BOTI mode, that uses the front camera and the rear camera at the very same time to capture images or videos. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use Nokia 7.1 for taking selfies or making video calls or just record videos from its front cam, so how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So just a quick demo of Nokia 7.1 front facing camera for all of you guys. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.